create each column and here next to data structures about linked list. Linked list is a linear data structure that consists of node connected by pointer. Each node contains head, data, tail. Where node is collection of data. Node are divided into two parts. Store the data and address some random addresses. Here we call it is node, the collection of data. And the first node is called as head. The middle node is data. The last node is tail. Where the head will start from pointer. Data any number we can store here. Like example 1. Here that is take 100. The tail will take 200. When we go to another node, the head should be the same as the tail. Again here 300. Here 4. Here 6. Here 300 the tail. Again here 300. Linked lists are divided into 4 types: single linked list, double linked list, circle linked list, and double linked list. Thank you.